Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term CMP. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, CMP is an abbreviation for compare. People use it when they want to prompt someone to look at two things side by side. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. CMP first showed up in digital texting as a quick shorthand in online chats and messaging. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people who want to communicate quickly and efficiently. Now let's check out how to use CMP in a sentence. Correct example 1. I think you should CMP the two options before deciding which one to buy. Correct example 2. Could you CMP these two phones and tell me which is better? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said CMP at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using CMP right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. CMP means compare. It started in digital texting, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with CMP in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.